Lightly twist. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janhavi, and if you want to see how I got these beautiful curls and this volume, and if you want to see how I turned my thin, dry, dead hair into this cute looking blow dried effect, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Today we are gonna use the Dyson because बहुत time से Dyson use नहीं किया है मैंने, and it is just lying around in my cupboard and I want to use it because I've paid so much for it. So for Dyson, I've definitely noticed that Dyson does not work well when your hair does have any moisture or whenever you are not using the right products. So let's start from the basics. First things first is your products. If you're not using the right products, your curls are going to fall. So to protect your hair from all the heat styling, all the blow dry, everything, you definitely need to incorporate a heat protectant. So the one that I am using and I've been using for so long, that is the BBlunt's Hot Shot. I love it. It works great. We are going to section out our hair into 4 equal parts. So first is going to be these two, and then the back two. I've got 2 of my sections here and 2 of my sections here. So let's start with applying the heat protectant first. Take a brush and put all your hair into your brush and then apply heat protectant and just slide your brush to the ends so that the heat protectant is evenly applied. Now my hair is well protected. Now I want my curls to last longer. So for that I'm gonna be using a holding mousse or a volumizing mousse. I'm gonna take a little bit and apply it throughout my hair. Now let's move to the most exciting part, and that's using the Dyson. I'm using the medium setting and on the low heat. I'm taking the smoothing attachment and brushing through my hair once. Now this side of my hair is around 90% dry. Now we'll move directly to our curling attachments. I'm gonna be using the thinner barrel because this one works really well with my hair and gives me nice tighter curls. Make sure to take thinner sections. If you take larger or bigger chunks, it won't be able to grab your hair well and won't give you those curls. Now we are switching to the super hot setting and a full hot blow air. Whenever you start, make sure you start from the ends of your hair. Curl those first and move gradually upwards. Now I'm switching to the cold setting. Now I'm gonna switch it off and lightly twist. Gonna be using these small clippers to just roll them. Yeah. Let them burn, let them stay. Start with the end, let them stay. Move gradually upwards. Do not disrupt the curl pattern while removing the Dyson or your curling wand. Make sure the curling pattern is intact. Going to curl my hair using the same process. Using the smoothing brush attachment to straighten out my hair. I'm changing the airflow to the other side. Look how easy it is to get a defined curl. Now my bottom sections are done. Now we are going to move to the upwards to the crown section. It saves me a lot of time when I use the Dyson. It takes just 15 to 20 minutes for me to do my entire hair. Now the only section that is pending is my crown area. So now I'm again going to divide my crown area into 4 parts, like into 3 parts. 1, 2 and this hole as a 3. Lightly wiggle your wand out so that you're not disturbing the curl pattern. Now, after looking like Radhe Bhaiya from Tere Naam, I think only this section is left. All the other curling pieces are done. And for this, to add a little bit of volume, I'm gonna be using the round volumizing brush. Once turn it towards the face and once turn it away from the face. This adds a lot of volume to your crown section and gives you a nice curtain bang. I'm going to be using the same clip-on clip and just clipping it here. Now we are done curling my hair with the Dyson and I've given them enough time to set. So let's start removing the clips one by one. Oh, this is not the look that I want, definitely. Now I'll open up the curls with my fingers and I'll just use a little bit of serum. Coat my palm entirely with the serum and start opening my hair like so and brush through my hair with my fingers to open up the curls. Let's remove this. Okay, now everything looks amazing. Oh my god. Wait a second, let me just move things and see my hair. Oh my god, looks pretty. Hair looks so good. This turned out to be better than the last time. If you want to see the last time's video where I was trying the Dyson for the first time, you can click on the I button and watch that video as well. Guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button. I cannot stop touching my hair. It is so nice. It is so beautiful. Okay, I'm getting distracted, but if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also share the video with your friends, girlfriends, boyfriends, whoever you like, and subscribe to my channel. And tata bye bye. I'ma be going. Bye bye.